the power rule and other rules for differentiation. The derivative is used to find the slope of a function at a point, and used to find the slope of the tangent line to the graph of a function at a point, and used to find the instantaneous rate of change of a function at a point. Rule for differentiation. So, differentiation is the process of computing the derivative of a function. So, you may be asked to differentiate, derive, find the derivative of. So, rules for differentiation, it is working with the definition of the derivative is important because it helps you really understand what the derivative means. For the power rule, so d over dx, x to the power of n is equal to in x to the power of n minus 1, and n is any real number, so d over dx, x is equal to 1. It's the constant rule. For the constant rule, d over dx, c is equal to 0, which as c is a constant, so the derivative of a constant function is 0. For the constant multiple rule, so d over dx, the bracket of c, the open and close parenthesis of if x is equal to c a prime x, c is a constant wherein the derivative of a constant times a function is equal to the constant times the derivative of the function. For the sum and difference rules, so d over dx, the bracket of if x plus gx is equal to prime x plus g prime x, wherein the derivative of sum is the sum of the derivatives. So, d over dx, the bracket of if x minus gx is equal to prime x minus g prime x, wherein the derivative of a difference is the difference of the derivatives. So, for the constant rule, so find the derivative of if x is equal to 7. So, the prime x is equal to 0 and y is equal to negative 3. So, dy over dx is equal to 0, or y prime is equal to 0. So, for the power rule, so differentiate of if x is equal to x cubed. So, if prime x is equal to 3x squared, y is equal to x to the power of 9, and dy over dx is equal to 9x to the power of 8. So, gx is equal to x to the power of 100, and g prime x is equal to 100x to the power of 99. So, constant multiple rule. So, find the derivative of y is equal to 2x 1 to the power of 1/3. So, wherein dy over dx is equal to 2 1/3 x to the power of negative 2/3. So, dy over dx is equal to 2 over 3x to the power of 2/3. So, constant multiple rule. So, for example, find the derivative of if x is equal to 4x squared over 5. So, is equal to 4 over 5x squared. So, if prime x is equal to 4 over 5 and times 2x. So, if prime x is equal to 8 over 5x, since 4 over 5 times 2x is equal to 8 over 5x. So, that's all, and thank you.
Thank you for watching.